Hi everyone, the Sparkle Goddess here with Crystallized by Sparkle, and today's topic is adhesives. So a lot of you guys have been crafting these beautiful stainless steel crystal tumblers or acrylic crystal tumblers, and a lot of people have a lot of questions about them. And that's why I'm here to help you with those questions. So this is one I've made for myself. I absolutely love it. It was my Mother's Day gift to myself. It is a skinny flask, 8 ounces, fabulous. This is crafted with Luxe AB crystals from BeCreateful.com. Love it, it's my favorite. And so I've had so many people come to me and say, hey, what adhesive are you using? How did you do this? Etc. So here, I'm going to help you out with that. You'll start with a stainless steel double wall tumbler. This, right? Nice and pretty, brand new. The first thing you'll want to do is take 220 grit sandpaper, sand this bad boy down, wash it up pretty well, wipe it down with 91% alcohol, set it to the side and let it dry. Once you do that, there are several things that you can do afterwards. If you are using crystal or crystal AB crystals for your tumbler, then you don't need to do anything but get your decal on there. Your decal is your name, your design, your what have you. If you're just putting a name, like I did here, you'll want to grab some 651 permanent vinyl, like this. Design that, whether on your Cricut, your Silhouette, your Graph-Tech, whatever it is, get that cut out and get that laid down onto your tumbler. What I did was I took some blue 651, cut this out using one of my favorite fonts, got this laid down on the tumbler, and that is where I started. I took my blue crystals, I filled it in over the name, got that nice and dried, waited a little bit, and then I came back in with the scatter pattern for this. But that's not what we're here to discuss. We are here to discuss the perfect adhesive for you to turn something like this into something like this. So let's start with the basic craft adhesive. This stuff is horrible. And let me tell you why. While it has wonderful hold, it has horrible toxic smells, and it could be very harmful to your kids, your pets, yourself. So it's been a lot of time that I have been searching for something that works, that is just as strong, but does not have those odors. And what did I find, you may ask? Great question. Super tight. This stuff I love. And let me just say, it is fabulous. It's got the same great hold that you get from E6000 without the toxic fumes. So you can feel free to craft whenever, wherever, however, and not have to worry about the safety of yourself or your family or your animals. This stuff is amazing. I get mine from BeCreateful.com. I'll put the link in the description, and you can definitely go on there and search that for yourself. I am a fast crafter. This stuff dries pretty quickly, so if you are not an experienced crafter, a fast crafter, you may not want to use that one, but there's other ones that you can use. Super Tight has another brand. This is called Fusion Tack. Now, Fusion Tack dries clear despite its white color, and that's fine because, again, it dries clear. But it's for the slow-moving crafter, for the new person, for the one who doesn't really know exactly what their plan is and might need to move some crystals around while the glue is still wet, and you have really great work time with this. This works like your fabric tack or your fusion tack. Same stuff, same sort of hold, non-toxic, and it's great. So I would definitely recommend this if you're new to this, if you're slow, if you're not really sure what you're gonna do until you jump in, grab this one. And if you don't have a precision tip applicator, you need to get one, because this will make certain that you control the flow of glue, you don't use too much and wind up having glue coming from underneath your crystal onto the sides and creating like a puckle of glue. That's not what you want when you're doing this type of craft. So Moving on from those, the only other glue that I've seen people use on these stainless steel or acrylic tumblers would be the Gem Tack. Now, Gem Tack is okay, it's non-toxic, but the hold is not as great. So if you're looking for something that has a really great hold that you can either have a long work time with or even a quick work time, I would definitely turn to the Super Tight brand. That and this. And again, you can find these on Be Createful. That place has like some amazing products. The crystals that I have here are the Luxe brand crystals, and I can tell you right now they are indistinguishable from Swarovski. And you can find them on BeCreateful.com. You can find your bling tools. You can find just about anything you need to make a bling tumbler or to bling anything that you're looking to bling. So I certainly recommend, if you are looking to get into the bling tumblers and ride this train while the train is moving, I would certainly suggest hopping on there, looking at what they have and seeing what fits your needs. The next tutorial that I will be bringing to you guys will be something like this, and I'll help you all make your own tumbler. And definitely get you guys loaded up onto Be Createful. Find your supplies, make your selections, follow us online, like and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you for the next video. Have a good one.